Featuring a customer on your digital platforms serves multiple purposes. It's a form of social proof, showcasing the success and satisfaction of your customers. This approach often resonates more authenticity with prospective customers than traditional advertising. When potential customers see real stories and experiences, it helps them envision what your service or product can do for them. Choose a customer who's had a notable experience with your services or products. Their story should be both relatable and inspiring to your target audience. Conduct an interview, get a testimonial from the selected customer, capture their story in some way, focusing on how your product or service impacted them positively. Use engaging visuals and narratives to craft the spotlight feature, including photos, videos, or infographics to make the story more compelling. Share the feature prominently on your website and across social media platforms. Ensure it aligns with your brand, voice, and values. Encourage interaction by asking followers to share their thoughts or similar experiences. This increases engagement and visibility. Show appreciation to your customer that you featured. This could be through either a thank you note, a small token of appreciation, or even just a public acknowledgement on your platforms.